Are you having trouble accessing your WhatsApp account because it's been banned? Don't worry, there might be a chance for you to get it fixed. In this video, I'm going to show you some steps you can take to try and get your account reinstated. First off, if you try to open WhatsApp and you see a message that says your account can't use WhatsApp, there may be a different reason why you have been banned. If it says your account activity goes against the terms of service, there's a possibility that you won't be able to get your account back. However, if you think your ban was a mistake, there's still hope. One thing you can do is go to the web browser and search for WhatsApp ban. Click on the first link about account bans and scroll down. You should see an option to request a review of your account ban. Click on that and you'll be taken to a page where you can enter your phone number, email address and device type. Next, you'll want to explain what happened and why your account shouldn't have been banned. Be as detailed as possible and include any relevant information that may help your case. Once you've submitted your request, WhatsApp will review your case within a week, maybe a little longer, and will hopefully lift your ban or give you a chance to get your account back. If all else fails, you could create a new account using a different phone number, but before you do that, make sure you exhausted all the options and try to get your original account back. I hope these tips have been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.